So dictionary rank of a word, how to find dictionary rank of a word. So let's say I am taking a word, let's say India. Okay, so let's say India. So what is the first step? First step, we have to arrange the number, the word according to the increasing order of alphabet. Like in English alphabet, first A comes, then D comes, right? So we have to arrange that. Let's say for this one we have to this will be like this: A, D, then double I, then N, right? So first A, so let's start. So we have to include all the number that will start from A, right? So all the number that will start from A, so A is fixed. Then what are the remaining terms? That is D, double I and N, right? So there are four terms. So how many words or arrangement? That is 4 factorial by 2 factorial. Then that is 4 into 3, that is 12, right? So there will be 12 numbers. Okay, so now this is done. After that, then D, right? So D, so A is done. So after that D, so the words, number of words starting with D similarly as 12, right? Then I, right? Then A is done, D is done, then I will come. So I, but I is required, right? In the India, so we are taking I. So after I, what will come? Then again A will come, right? But we have to exclude all that number. So I, A, uh, then what are the remaining terms? That is D and I and N. D, I, N. So we have to include all those numbers. That is D, I, N. I, A, D, I, N. I, A is fixed. What are the terms? That is D, I, and N. So number of terms will be 3 factorial. That is 6. Right. Similarly, I is done. So now it will be I, D. And same A, I, N. Right. There will be 3 factorial. That is 6 terms. Now, okay, now what will happen? Now we have to include double I, then A, D and N. There will be again 3 factorial, that is 6 terms. Okay, now after that we have to do, so now double I is done, double I is also done. So now we have to then after I, what will come? After I, then is there any term remaining? Yeah, so I is done. uh, so after I we required N, right? So by default what will come? A, D, I is done. So after I, what should come? N should come. Okay, but we need this, so we will go forward. So that is A, but again A is not a correct term. So A, then what all are the term is remaining? That is I, N. A is done. So we remaining are D, I, N, right? So again that is D, I and N. So this term we have to arrange. Okay, so A has come. After that, then again, so sorry, N is already done. So let me remove this one. So only ADI, right? So ADI. So there will be again A is fixed, so 2 factorial, that is 2 terms. Okay, so after D, after A, sorry, after A, D will come. D will also have 2. So no, I and D. D is also correct term. So after D, only 2 terms in remaining, that 2 letters are remaining, A and I. So first is A, that is A and I, and then that will I and A. Okay, and this is the correct term. So this is 1 and this is 1, I N D I A. So what is the dictionary rank? The dictionary rank will be, that is 12. Let me use another color. that is 12, then 12, then 6, then 6, then 6, then 2, then 1 and 1. If we sum up, that is 12, 12, 24, 6, 30, 36, 6, 42, 42, 44 and 2, 46. So 46 is the answer, right? Okay.